In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for CoinGecko listing. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what each section of the form is asking for, and how to present your project clearly so reviewers can verify it efficiently. Start by opening your browser and heading to CoinGecko.com, the home for cryptocurrency prices, charts, and market data. Once the page loads, scroll all the way to the bottom. There, look for the request form link and click it to access CoinGecko's partner submission portal. On the request page, click New Exchange, then select New Coin Token Listing. This path takes you into the coin listing flow. You'll be asked to choose your listing type. Select either Active Listing or Preview Listing. Active listing is for projects with live, verifiable markets on supported exchanges. Preview listing is great if you're building momentum before trading begins. It creates a profile with limited market data. Pick the option that matches your status, then click Next. You'll now see a structured form broken into sections. The first section is basic coin token information. Enter your project name, symbol, and accurate contract addresses for each network your token supports. Include your official website and upload a clean, square logo. Double-check contract addresses directly from your official repositories or explorers to avoid mistakes. Never share private keys or seed phrases. Those are never required. Next is Preview Listing Verification Links. Provide links to official announcements, documentation, and social channels that confirm your token's authenticity. Use direct public URLs and avoid link shorteners so the review team can verify quickly. In project information, summarize what your project does, who it serves, and any public materials that establish credibility, such as documentation or audits. Keep it concise and consistent with your website. Exchange trading information asks where your asset trades and the pairs available. Link to the precise markets on each exchange. Make sure symbols, contract addresses, and pair names match exactly what the exchanges display. Block Explorer links should point to your token's contract or asset page on each chain's official explorer. If you're multi-chain, include each relevant explorer and ensure the addresses match the ones you listed earlier. Under Asset Type and Details, specify token standard, chain, and decimals. Accuracy here affects how your token is displayed. Supply information covers total, max, and circulating supply, plus any vesting or lockups. Provide transparent sources that can be checked. Finally, use additional information to note important context like rebrands, migrations, or public security reports. Keep it factual and avoid any sensitive personal contact details. As you move through each section, follow the on-screen prompts and keep your information consistent across all links and fields. That's the full flow for applying for a CoinGecko listing.